Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I'm with this math question which look easy but not that easy. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get featured in this shortcut list. Whatever your answer will be, I will give you feature here. So we have minus 6 square divided by minus 3 square plus 6. We will use here the PEMDAS. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first operation will be given to parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we will solve simply. Here this is the parenthesis, but actually these are square or you can say exponent. So first will be given to exponent. Minus 6 square. Minus 6 square is what? Minus 6 times minus 6, which equals to 36, because minus times minus is equal to plus, minus into plus which is equal to minus, and plus into plus which is equal to plus. So here 36 will be written as minus 6 square. And similarly for minus 3 the whole square, which equals to minus 3 times minus 3, which equals to 9. Okay. So we will simply put the values here. In the place of 6 square minus 6 square, we will write 36, and in the place of minus 6 square, we will write 9 plus 6. Now exponent done. Second operation is division. So we will operate this 36 divided by 9, or we can say 4. So our question will be 4 plus 6, which equals to 10. So here 10 is the right answer. And if you are seniors, then must check out the best product link for seniors in the description, and like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.